Queens, are you ready? Timer says 3, 2, 1, go!
Thomas, replace it.
Push that one in. Don't tell y'all.
Yellow, yellow.
Yo, you guys got that, right?
Pick up your control.
Push the second first. Push it.
Yeah, push it in.
Go under sub first. Under table, under table, under table. Go to the right side. Right side. Nice. Sweeper mid-edge. Sweeper mid-edge. Nice. Stay straight. I'll pick that up.
Don't want that, don't want that. Yeah, just throw it. Okay, grab that, you're red.
Super far right. Super far right.
Yeah.
Super far right.
No. That's it. I'm sleeping that.
Super mid-edge.
We're so bad. Come on, lock in, lock in.
Close edge. 1 minute. Can we start racking?
One more. This one's easy.
Alright, reset angle. Oh, wait, fix that.
Thomas, move it.
Okay.
40. Take your time. Make sure it's over. Make sure it's good. 30 seconds. 25 seconds.
Push into it.
20.
Rock on your hand.
We can't do level 3. Level 2.
Just push the second. 40. 30.
Level 2.
Hey,
wait for me. Okay, just real slow.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3,